Why does your scanner show the P0174 engine code? What does it mean? P0174 is a diagnostic trouble code for System 2 lean, Bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means there's too much air and not enough fuel in the mixture, potentially leading to engine misfires, reduced power, and increased combustion temperatures. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: vacuum leaks, mass airflow sensor issues, fuel delivery problems, exhaust gas recirculation issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Chevrolet vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.